Welcome to Chenggu Bali versus Miami, an exploration of two coastal paradises that offer distinct experiences. I am Mr. Cornwell, your tour guide today, as we uncover the unique charms and differences between these two captivating destinations. Our journey begins in Chenggu Bali, a hidden gem known for its tranquil beaches and relaxed atmosphere. The main transportation is yourself or a car hire. Mopeds are the preferred and most used transport. Experience the serenity as you stroll along the pristine shoreline, basking in the warm sun and immersing yourself in the local beach culture. Chenggu's small-town charm and untouched beauty create an idyllic escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. There are no sidewalks, and you should familiarize yourself with the area beforehand. In contrast, we venture to Miami, a vibrant metropolis renowned for its energetic atmosphere and cosmopolitan vibe. Ease of transportation and other local. Explore the iconic South Beach, where the city comes alive with its lively nightlife, trendy restaurants, and glamorous beach clubs. Miami's fusion of cultures, Art Deco architecture, and thriving entertainment scene make it a dynamic destination for those seeking excitement and diversity. One of the key differences between Chenggu and Miami lies in the affordability. While Bali may seem like a premium, higher-end destination, you'll be pleasantly surprised to find that your money goes far in Chenggu. However, recent changes in tax laws in Bali require visitors and nomad workers to pay taxes on any income earned while on the island, even if it was made outside of Bali. It's important to be aware of these regulations, especially if you're considering a move to Bali. On the other hand, Miami's cosmopolitan offerings cater to those seeking a high-end experience. Explore upscale shopping districts like Bal Harbour and the Design District, dine at award-winning restaurants, and immerse yourself in Miami's vibrant art and cultural scene. Miami's glamour and luxury attract visitors from around the world. Chenggu's allure lies in its natural beauty and local experiences. From breathtaking sunsets to picturesque rice terraces, Bali's charm is undeniable. However, it's important to note that Bali's burning of trash after the rainy season may cause discomfort for those sensitive to smoke. Consider using an air purifier to maintain clean air quality, especially if you're staying near rice paddies or areas where burning of refuse is common. Knowledge is your best travel companion. Before you set out on your adventure, thoroughly research your destination. Familiarize yourself with local customs, traditions, and any cultural nuances. Identify safe neighborhoods to stay in and plan your daily routes. Having a well-thought-out itinerary will not only boost your confidence, but also contribute to a more enjoyable journey. While expressing your personal style is important, it's equally crucial to respect local customs and dress modestly in conservative areas. Opt for versatile clothing that allows you to adapt to different situations and climates. This not only ensures comfort, but also helps you blend in with the local culture, reducing the chances of unwanted attention. Keep your loved ones informed about your travel plans. Share your itinerary, accommodation details, and contact information with a trusted friend or family member. Regular check-ins will provide a sense of security for both you and your loved ones. Additionally, consider carrying a portable charger to keep your devices powered up, allowing you to stay connected on the go. Your intuition is a powerful tool. If something feels off or uncomfortable, trust your instincts and remove yourself from the situation. Be cautious when interacting with strangers and don't hesitate to say no if you feel pressured. It's always better to prioritize your safety and well-being. Remember, it's okay to be assertive and set boundaries. One of the joys of solo travel is the opportunity to meet new people. Connect with fellow travelers through social platforms, forums, or local meetups. Joining group activities or tours can provide a sense of community and add a layer of security. Shared experiences often lead to lifelong friendships, making your journey even more memorable. Join our community of adventurous viewers by sharing your own experiences and connecting with like-minded individuals. Together, let's inspire and empower each other to explore the world fearlessly. Miami offers a plethora of attractions and activities to suit every taste. Our journey through Chenggu, Bali and Miami comes to an end, but the memories and experiences will linger. Whether you seek a serene beach retreat or a bustling city adventure, Both destinations offer unique charms that cater to different tastes and preferences. Stay tuned for the next episode of our travel series as we continue to explore captivating destinations around the world.